September we met, I could tell by your smile. You hadn't been with a good girl like me in a while. Yeah, you were impressed, couldn't leave me alone. Text me every time that you pick up the phone.
Si Kuya. It's so nice. Mahulog ito yung sinunakasa. Sama na ka, Uncle? Si Uncle. It's so hot. It's so... Ririnig niyo ba yung agos ng water? Like, tignan niyo. My God. Tignan, oh. Wow.
Tables have turned. Tables have turned. Tables have turned. Tables have turned.
Si Irene. Yun yung heart shape yan, no? Heart shape. Ay, ba? Namin, guys. Ito, pirit. Anong isda? Smile!
In the coziest of nights, yeah. I had control in the driver's seat, but my hands are slipping off the wheel. Now the tables have turned.
Close po sila ni Irish dahil sa tabi sa guys. Unless na lang kapag hindi tumakas. Yun po, mainit po yung water from Irish. Kayo ba? Mainit. Mainit, guys. Wow, sarap. Natunog ko.
Ang model, no?
Hi, guys!
Apa isa, oh. Wala nga sa ako. Ayan, oh.
Ayan, tignan nyo yun.
What?
Atin lahat to, guys, ha? Sa atin lahat yan. Sa kayo lahat. Harap. Ang nangyari? O, diba? Masapon, no? Hala, init ka. Nasa rihaw. Oh, guys. Nasa Teresa. Orchid na.
Tables have turned.